Hi, this is Frank Ligori from StoneAge Tools, dealer manager of the Warthog division. Today we're going to talk about a few questions that we commonly get at our manufacturing facility here in Durango, Colorado. Some of the challenges that we have at StoneAge is proper jetting. Proper jetting comes in when we have to ask questions on how the truck is jetted. And what that means to us as a manufacturer, it means how much pressure and flow comes through the rotor hose. How much pressure that the pump supplies through the rotor hose to get to our nozzles. We are able to jet any nozzle to any performance to match the truck or the operation or the actual job that you're on to convey the material out of the pipe. What's important to us is we have to understand if the truck is operated at a certain PSI and pressure doesn't mean that the truck's not capable of another pressure and flow. So what we do is we ask questions. Some of our questions will be, please give us the pressure and flow of the truck or the unit, being a trailer unit, a cart jetter, or a combo truck or a jetter. And what we do is we figure out where the sweet spot to that truck is. So if the truck is capable of 80 at 25 and the operator's only running at 60 at 2, we will jet the nozzle for 60 at 2 to produce maximum performance at the end of the hose. So another common question that we get is how to remove the debris from the pipe. So at StoneAge what we do is we have controlled rotation nozzles, which is a braking system in the industry. So with our braking system and with our head design, what we do is we change the angles of the back jets to match the positioning of the nozzle in the pipe. So what that does, we're able to increase and decrease the distances from our jet path to the pipe. And when you do that, you create a harder force to the wall. So we have quite common in our nozzle lineup, we have multifunction heads. Our multifunction heads come with a 25-degree rearward jets or 38-degree rearward jets. But where we come on top and where we're able to perform the best is we have what we call descaling heads with side jets in them. The side jets are at 80 degrees. With the 80-degree impact on the wall, it does a couple things. You get the jet closer to the wall, which removes the material quicker, faster, and better, but it also cuts down on the vortex in the pipe. When you cut down on the vortex from the pipe, it doesn't eliminate, but it helps reduce the flow of air coming through the pipe. So one of our challenge here at StoneAge is conveying the message that our tool can do just about any job if it's jetted properly. In our opinion, you don't need 37 or 40 different types of different nozzles for applications. You can adjust our nozzles to do most of those applications. Thank you for your time and watching the video. If you have any additional questions, please call StoneAge Tools. Thank you.